Welcome to our channel, where we bring you the latest and most impactful news in the world of artificial intelligence. Today, we're diving into a series of groundbreaking stories that are shaping the future of AI. First up, we're exploring the legal drama between Elon Musk and OpenAI. Musk has filed a lawsuit against OpenAI, accusing them of unfair practices. In a bold move, OpenAI has countersued Musk, seeking to block his alleged unlawful actions. Meanwhile, OpenAI is not slowing down as they prepare to launch new AI models, including the much-anticipated GPT 4.1. Over at Anthropic, exciting developments are underway with the introduction of their Claude AI Max plan, a premium subscription priced at $200 per month. This move reflects the growing trend of subscription-based AI services. In a strategic partnership, Google has adopted Anthropic's MCP protocol to connect AI models to external data sources, signaling a deeper integration within the AI ecosystem. DeepSeek is making headlines with its AI chatbot, which has surged to become the most downloaded app on Apple's App Store, surpassing even ChatGPT. At the same time, Microsoft is quietly incorporating DeepSeek's technology into its platforms, highlighting the competitive nature of the AI landscape. Turning to Grok, an inquiry by an Irish data watchdog into its data practices has raised important questions about compliance and privacy. Nevertheless, Grok's parent company, xAI, has launched a new API for Grok 3, aiming to make AI more accessible to developers. In other news, ZenCoder has updated its AI coding platform, enhancing its DevOps integration, and AI technologies from platforms like ChatGPT and DeepSeek are increasingly being used to enhance judicial efficiency, showcasing their impact across different sectors. Stay tuned for more updates, and don't forget to subscribe to Useful AI Hacks for daily insights into the fast-paced world of AI. We release AI news updates daily. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you tomorrow at 11 a.m. Pacific Standard Time, 12 p.m. Mountain Time, 1 p.m. Central Time, and 2 p.m. Eastern. See you then. In the meantime, check out one of these videos.